Welcome to Grade 6 Mathematics, solving word problems involving measurement of surface area. Before you start to solve word problems, it is important to understand what a word problem is. A word problem is a mathematical exercise which is in the form of a hypothetical question that needs mathematical analysis and equations to be solved. It is also a few sentences describing a real-life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by way of a mathematical calculation. Here are the 4-step plan in solving word problems. Number 1, understand. What is asked? What are the given facts? 2, plan. What operation or operations shall we use to solve the problem? 3. Solve. Show the computation. And 4. Check. Check your answer. Here is an example problem. Nana will make a jewelry box using recycled materials in the shape of a rectangular prism with a length of 12 inches, a width of 8 inches, and a height of 5 inches. How many square inches of recycled material she needs to make a box? Step 1. Understand. What is asked? The size of recycled materials Nana needed to make the box. What are the given facts? Length is equal to 12 inches, width is equal to 8 inches, and height is equal to 5 inches. Step 2. Plan. Which formula or formulas shall we use to solve the problem? Let us use the formula below to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. SA is equal to 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. Step 3. Solve. SA is equal to 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. Surface area is equal to 2 times the length, which is 12 inches, times the width, which is 8 inches, plus 2 times the length, which is 12 inches, and height, which is 5 inches, plus 2 times the width, which is 8 inches, and height, which is 5 inches. So the SA is equal to 2 times 12 times 8 is equal to 96, plus 12 times 5 is equal to 60, plus 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Surface area is equal to 2 times 96, 192, plus 2 times 60, 120, plus 2 times 40, 80. Surface area is equal to 392 square inch or 392 inch squared. Therefore, Nana needs 392 inch squared of recycled materials to make a box. Step 4. Check. This is one way to check your answer. Go back to your computation. Check if the given dimensions are properly substituted to the formula. Check also the flow of the computation. Example 2. John works in a company that makes tents. His boss assigned him to design tents for mountaineers. He needs to keep them light. To decide what fabrics are acceptable to mountaineers, he needs to know the amount of fabric it takes to construct a tent like one at the right. How much fabric is required to construct this tent? The length is 4 meters. The height is 3 meters. And the width is 1.5 meters. Step 1. Understand. What is asked? The amount of fabric required to construct the tents. What are the given facts? Length is equal to 4 meters, width is equal to 1.5 meters, and height is equal to 5 meters. Step 2. Plan. Which formula shall we use to solve the problem? Let us use the formula below to find the surface area of a rectangular pyramid. Surface area is equal to lateral area plus base. Surface area is equal to 2 times 1/2 WH plus 2 times 1/2 LH plus LW. This represents the formula of the lateral area, and this is the formula of the base. Lateral area is the left and right faces, while B is the area of the rectangular base. Step 3. Solve. SA is equal to 2 times 1/2 WH plus 2 times 1/2 LH plus LW. SA is equal to 2 times 1/2, width is 1.5, times the height, which is 3, plus 2 times 1/2 times the length, which is 4, times the height, which is 3, plus L, which is 4, times W, which is 1.5. Surface area is equal to 2 times 1/2 times 1.5 times 3 is 4.5, plus 2 times 1/2 times 4 times 3 is 12, plus 4 times 1.5 is 6. Surface area is equal to 2 times 1/2 times 4.5 is equal to 4.5, plus 2 times 1/2 times 12 is equal to 12, plus 6. Surface area is equal to 22.5 square meter. Therefore, the required amount of fabric to construct the tent is 22.5 square meters. Step 4. Check. This is one way to check your answer. Go back to your computation. Check if the given dimensions are properly substituted to the formula. Check also the flow of the computation. Example 3. A salt container has the shape of a cylinder. The radius of the container is 2.5 inches and the height is 8 inches. Find the surface area of the container. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Step 1. Understand. What is asked? The surface area of the container. What are the given facts? Radius is equal to 2.5 inches and height is equal to 8 inches. Step 2. Plan. Which formula shall we use to solve the problem? Let us use the formula below to find the surface area of a cylinder. SA is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. Step 3. Solve. SA is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. Surface area is equal to 2 times 3.14 times radius, which is 2.5, times the height, which is 8, plus 2 times 3.14 times 2.5 squared. Surface area is equal to 125.6 plus 39.25. Surface area is equal to 164.85 inch square. The surface area of the container is 164.85 inch square. Step 4. Check. This is one way to check your answer. Go back to your computation. Check if the given dimensions are properly substituted to the formula. Check also the flow of the computation. Example 4. The base of a cone is 16 centimeters in diameter and the slant height of the curved surface is 18 centimeters. Find its surface area. Step 1. Understand. What is asked? The surface area of the cone. What are the given facts? Diameter is equal to 16 centimeters and height is equal to 18 centimeters. Step 2. Plan. Which formula shall we use to solve the problem? Let us use the formula below to find the surface area of a cone. SA is equal to pi r squared plus pi rh. Step 3. Solve. Using the formula, SA is equal to pi r squared plus pi rh. Surface area is equal to pi, which is 3.14, times the radius, which is 8 squared, plus pi, which is 3.14, times radius, which is 8, and height, which is 18 centimeters. SA is equal to 3.14 times 8 squared is equal to 64, plus 3.14 times 8 times 18 is equal to 144. Surface area is equal to 653.12 centimeters square. Therefore, the surface area of the cone is 653.12 centimeters square. Step 4. Check. This is one way to check your answer. Go back to your computation. Check if the given dimensions are properly substituted to the formula. Check also the flow of the computation. Example 5. Find the surface area of the ball at the right with a radius of 4.89 decimeters. Round your answer to the nearest tenths. Step 1. Understand. What is asked? The surface area of the ball. What are the given facts? Radius is equal to 4.89 decimeters. Step 2. Plan. Which formula shall we use to solve the problem? Let us use the formula below to find the surface area of a sphere. SA is equal to 4 pi r squared. Step 3. Solve. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. Surface area is equal to 4 times pi, which is 3.14, times the radius, which is 4.89 squared. Surface area is equal to 12.56 times 23.9121. Surface area is equal to 300.335,976 decimeters square. Or, if you round up, you will get 300.3 decimeters squared. Therefore, the surface area of the ball is 300.3 decimeters squared. Step 4. Check. This is one way to check your answer. Go back to your computation. Check if the given dimensions are properly substituted to the formula. Check also the flow of the computation.